Using the E6's full gantry movement, align the IR spot to the point on the board where the component you are removing is located. Use the magnet lock to secure the lens unit into place. Activate the IR spot using the software and adjust accordingly using the iris. The spot should cover the whole of the component. Aim the component sensor directly at the center of the component and the PCB sensor around 25 mm away from the component. Move the lens unit out of the way and apply flux to the component. The setup stage is now complete. After starting the profile on the software, the 3200 watt PCB preheater will preheat the PCB at a desired ramp rate. The top heat IR will automatically turn on and heat the component until it has reached reflow. Start the vacuum and remove the component accordingly. Place the component into the component nest and turn on the PCB cooling feature to cool down the board. To place down a new component, dip the component into the dip tray to apply an even layer of flux. Using PDR's split beam prism alignment system, accurately align the component using the XY micrometers on the system. Check all four corners to ensure it is correctly aligned. Using PDR's ultra-soft landing, place the component back onto the PCB and start the profile on the software. Using the side view camera, we can clearly see when the component has reached reflow. We can visibly see the solder balls drop into the pads on the PCB. Use the PCB cooling to cool down the board and the process is complete. PDR IR-E6, trusted by experts.